In today's video, I'll show you how to install the FusionFix to fix mouse issues, improve performance, and reduce bugs in GTA 4. All you have to do is check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and check the download now option and scroll down. Under assets, select this FusionFix offline installer.exe. After download done, click on the installer, select more info and select run anyway option. Select the browse for another folder option and navigate to the GTA 4 game folder. Select the GTA 4 game folder and select folder option and select the path we selected. Installation finished successful. Close and launch the game. After installing FusionFix, GTA 4 runs smoother, the mouse works properly, and many old PC bugs are fixed. I will add a before and after comparison. You can easily compare before and after. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.